Hey, John from Mighty here, and in this quick video, I'm going to show you guys how you can update font weights for your different text. All right, so looking at this top section here, I've kind of created a list of our different typography that we've got set up. This top section here is just our heading block, and then down below, I've just used our paragraph block, but applied the different paragraph formats from H2 all the way to H5. Now in here, you'll see H2 almost looks identical, if not is identical to H1. But let's say you wanted a different style that you wanted to apply to your H2. So in this situation, using the Chrome extension provided by Mighty, you have now the ability to flip into a code view. And in code view, what you could do is you could literally apply the font weight style to this H2 tag. And in this situation, we're just going to reduce that down to 400. By default, it applies all H1 through 5 to a font weight of 700. So you could just go ahead and set that to 400, and now you'll see that you have access to slightly different versions of heading fonts. So now as an example, we've got this section down here, and we can expose this code view. You'll see this looks slightly different because it doesn't need to apply necessarily the H1 through 5, but similar idea, you just apply that style for the font weight, and it automatically reduces that font. Now this won't necessarily work for all fonts. If your font file that you load into Articulate Rise doesn't have font weights applied to the file itself, then you might not notice any changes. But if you've got the ability to update your font file and set different font weights, this is how you can do that.